Creating a Facebook ad for a lead generation campaign involves designing an ad that encourages users to provide their contact information or take a specific action, such as filling out a form. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective Facebook ad for your lead generation campaign. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective, Lead Generation. This objective is specifically designed to help you collect leads directly on Facebook. 4. Configure Ad Set. In the Ad Set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Consider targeting users who are likely to be interested in your product or service. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. For lead generation campaigns, consider using automatic placements to reach users on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Create ad creative. Design visually appealing and straightforward ad creative that clearly communicates the value proposition of your offer. Consider including the following elements. Ad copy. Write concise and compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of your offer. Clearly communicate what users will receive by providing their information. Include a clear call to action, e.g., get your free guide. Visuals or graphics. Use high-quality images or graphics that are relevant to your offer and capture users' attention. 7. Highlight value proposition. Clearly articulate the value users will receive in exchange for their information. Whether it's a downloadable resource, a discount, or exclusive content, make it compelling. 8. Include a clear call to action, CTA. Choose a CTA button that aligns with your lead generation goal, such as sign up, get started, or download. The CTA guides users on the next steps they should take to provide their information. 9. Set up the lead form. Within the ad creation process, set up the lead form that users will fill out directly on Facebook. Customize the form fields based on the information you need, e.g., name, email, phone number. Specify a privacy policy link to comply with Facebook's policies. Ensure that you clearly communicate how you'll use the collected information. 10. Utilize custom questions. If necessary, use custom questions within the lead form to gather additional information. Keep the form concise and focused to enhance user completion rates. 11. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, ad copy variations, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 12. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your lead generation offer is showcased effectively and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 13. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once you're satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 14. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, cost per lead, CPL, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 15. Engage with leads. Respond promptly to leads generated through the campaign. Consider setting up automated email responses or follow-up sequences to nurture and convert leads into customers. 16. Optimize lead form fields. Analyze the performance of your lead form and consider optimizing the fields. If you experience a high drop-off rate, simplify the form or adjust the information you're requesting. 17. Utilize retargeting. Create custom audiences based on users who engaged with your lead generation ad but didn't complete the form. Retarget this audience with follow-up ads to encourage them to submit their information. 18. Coordinate with landing pages. If you have a dedicated landing page for your lead generation offer, ensure that it aligns with the information in your Facebook ad. Consistency enhances the user experience. 19. Experiment with incentives. Consider offering incentives such as discounts, exclusive content, or early access to encourage users to provide their information. Test different incentives to see what resonates best. 20. Use lead ad carousel. If you have multiple lead generation offers or variations, consider using the lead ad carousel format. This allows users to swipe through different offers within a single ad. By following these steps, you can create a successful Facebook ad campaign for lead generation, capturing valuable information from your target audience. Regularly analyze performance metrics and make data-driven adjustments to optimize your campaign for better results. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more content. See you soon.